Payhip integrates Stripe for seamless card payments, subscriptions, and global transactions in 135+ currencies, complementing PayPal. Create Stripe account. Visit stripe.com and sign up with email, business details, and bank info. Verify identity, ID upload for full access. Approval in 1 to 2 days. Log into Payhip. Go to payhip.com. Sign in. Account. Top right. Settings. Payment details. Select Stripe. Choose your country. Stripe appears if eligible. Click Connect next to Stripe. Authorize connection. Redirect to Stripe. Log in. Grant permissions for Payhip to process payments and manage refunds. Confirm details. Return to Payhip. Click Go back to Payhip Limited. Stripe connects. Card options appear at checkout. Set payout schedule in Stripe dashboard. Dashboard.stripe.com. Test transaction. Make a test purchase on your Payhip store. Use Stripe test mode. Verify funds in Stripe and payments. Tips. Enable Apple Pay or Google Pay in Stripe for mobile boosts. Handle disputes via Payhip's Customers tab. For EU VAT, enable in Payhip settings post-connection. Contact support at payhip.com or Stripe support if errors occur.